Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the ARTCISE Handheld RGB light wand. This light wand comes with 200 high color rendering beads as well as 20 light effects to best suit your scene. Let's get right into it. Alright, so let's start unboxing. So first off, what we get is this tripod. Let's put that aside for now. And we also get, let's just put this packaging aside. We also get the main package itself. So as I look around, black packaging. Alright, so let's open this. Alright, so this is what we get inside the box. So first we have the charger. So it's USB-C to USB-A to USB-C. Let's put that aside. We also get this tripod. This is slightly smaller than the other tripod. So there it is. Let's get the other one. So as you can see, there's a bit of a difference. Let's put these aside. And we also get the main piece itself. So here it is, the RGB light wand. So what we're going to do now is we're going to set this up and then I'll get right into a review. Alright, so before we get into the lighting review, we have two attachments which are two tripods. So let's move the light wand out of the way for a second. And here are the tripods. So there's a small one and here's a slightly larger one. So they both can stand a good amount of pressure. So also, put these away. On the light wand we have on both sides we can actually put attachments on. So I'll pop on the attachments on either side to give you a demonstration. So here's a slightly small one. So as you can see, if you just shake it around, it just wiggles of course. But like if you just leave it like that, it's rock solid and won't move unless force is applied. So let's remove that. And let's put the larger one on the other end. There we go. As you can see, it's slightly wider, but it really feels the same, and this one's just a little bit more flexible if you apply force to the top. Other than that, it's also rock solid. So now what we're going to do is we're going to leave this like this and we'll go into a lighting review. Alright, so I've turned off all the lighting in my room, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn it on. So here it is. So as you can see, it's really good quality, and as well on the back side you'll see there's this LED display. So we can change the sort of lighting it has by clicking on the arrows. So you can go cool and warmer. So we'll take off the tripod so you can hold it around like sort of like a lightsaber. So you can see, so on both arrows it'll go like from warmer to cooler. But that's not the only mode. If you press the power button just once, you can go to these police sort of lighting pattern. And if you click it again, it'll go to the full white light, which you can use as key lighting and all that. So if you go back into this, as you can see, it usually changes to a different color. So if I was on green, sometimes it could change to like a blue, but that's just all part of the RGB. So thanks for watching this video. So what we're going to do is I'll actually post a few photos which I take with this camera I'm recording with right now, and post them in the community section for you guys to view the actual light itself in a really good way. So once again, remember to leave a like, subscribe. Hope you guys learned something from that video, and I'll see you guys next time.